If you constantly feel tired, bloated, sluggish, or heavy after meals, your liver and gut may be overloaded. Many people do not realize that poor digestion, low energy, constipation, and even stubborn belly fat can be connected to how well the liver and gut are functioning. The good news is that certain natural foods may help support your body's detox systems, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation naturally. Today, I'm going to show you 2 simple homemade detox juices that may help support liver health, gut health, digestion, and energy levels using natural ingredients you can easily find at home. Most people think detox means expensive supplements, extreme fasting, or dangerous cleanses, but your body already has natural detox systems built into it. Your liver filters toxins, your gut removes waste, and your kidneys help flush out harmful substances every single day. The problem is that processed foods, sugary drinks, stress, lack of sleep, and poor eating habits can overload these systems over time. I'm Dr. Tane, and I help you live longer, stronger, and healthier naturally. Subscribe now, and let's add healthy years to your life. The first detox juice uses beetroot, which is one of the best natural foods for supporting liver function. Beetroot contains antioxidants and plant compounds that may help support the liver's natural detox pathways and improve blood circulation. To prepare this juice, take about 14 ounces of fresh beetroot and wash it thoroughly. Chop the beetroot into smaller pieces so it blends more easily. Add the beetroot into a blender along with about 3 ounces of water. Blend everything until smooth. Once blended, pour the mixture through a cheesecloth or fine strainer. Gently squeeze the pulp to extract as much liquid as possible. This helps you get all the nutrients and natural compounds from the beets. Beet juice has a deep, rich color and a naturally earthy taste. Some people enjoy drinking it fresh immediately, while others prefer it chilled. Either option works well. Beetroot may help support circulation, digestion, liver health, and energy levels naturally. Many people also enjoy beet juice because it may help reduce feelings of sluggishness and fatigue. Now let's move to the second detox juice, which combines carrots, oranges, and apples. This juice is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural fiber-supporting compounds that may help support digestion and overall wellness. Start with about 14 ounces of fresh carrots. Wash and chop them into smaller pieces. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays an important role in immune health, eye health, and skin health. Next, peel 3 fresh oranges. Oranges provide vitamin C and natural antioxidants that may help support the immune system and reduce inflammation. Then add 2 fresh apples. Apples contain beneficial plant compounds and natural fiber that may support gut health and digestion. They also add natural sweetness to the juice without the need for added sugar. Place the carrots, oranges, and apples into a blender, add about 15 ounces of water, and blend until smooth. Once blended, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or fine strainer. Press the pulp gently to remove as much juice as possible. This helps preserve the nutrients and natural flavors from the fruits and vegetables. This juice is refreshing, naturally sweet, and loaded with nutrients that may help support digestion, hydration, and healthy energy levels. One important thing to remember is that natural detox drinks work best when combined with healthy daily habits. Drinking juice alone will not fix poor sleep, processed food overload, chronic stress, or lack of movement. Real health improvements happen when you consistently support your body with healthy choices every day. Try to focus on whole foods, proper hydration, regular movement, healthy sleep, and reducing ultra-processed foods. Your liver and gut work hard for you every single day, and small, healthy habits can make a big difference over time. Another helpful tip is to avoid adding extra sugar into homemade juices. The fruits already provide natural sweetness, and keeping sugar intake lower may help support blood sugar balance and reduce inflammation. If you enjoy making healthy drinks at home, You can also experiment with ingredients like ginger, lemon, cucumber, celery, or fresh mint for additional flavor and wellness benefits. Many people notice that when they improve gut health and digestion, they also feel lighter, more energetic, and mentally clearer. That is because the gut and liver play a major role in overall health and how the body functions daily. Have you ever tried making beet juice or carrot detox juice at home? Everyone has their own favorite recipe and routine, and sometimes simple natural ingredients can become powerful long-term habits for healthy aging. Share this video with someone who wants to support their liver health and digestion naturally. Sometimes the simplest health habits are the ones that make the biggest difference over time. I'm Dr. Tane, making healthy aging simple for you. Because your health isn't just about you, it's about the people who love you. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video.